Hello kids!
Hi!
Ikwento ko sa inyo. Ito yung Tom Tom. Ready na ba kayo? A long time ago, there was a poor family who had a little baby boy named Tom. Tom was only as big as a town. Si Tom, kasing lait lang siya nito. Yung lalaki natin. Liit lang siya. Pero kahit maliit lang siya, matalino siya, tsaka sobrang inaalagaan siya ng family niya. One day, Tom's mother was ill. Tom's father could not afford to pay the medical bill. Just then, a merchant happened to pass by. He was interested in Tom and offered to him to buy for them. Tom's father rejected his offer. Tom said, "Dear father, please don't worry, I'll be back soon." Finally, his father agreed. The merchant gave the money to Tom's father and took Tom away. On the way, the merchant felt tired and slept under a tree. "This is my chance to run away," said Tom and ran as fast as he could. Tumakbo si Tom kasi binili siya ng merchant, diba? Tapos nung nakatulog yung merchant sa ilalim ng puno, tumakbo siya, tumakas siya. On his way home, Tom met a fierce wolf. The wolf was going to eat him. Quickly, Tom said, "Wait, Mr. Wolf. I know a place where you can eat as much as you wish." Sabi ni Tom. "Okay, let's go," said the wolf. Uwi na sila nun. Tapos niloko ni Tom yung wolf. Kala niya pupunta siya dun sa maraming pagkain. Yung pala, pupunta siya sa bahay mo para makatakas. Tom then led the wolf to his house. As Tom reached his house, he shouted loudly, "Father, help! There's a wolf here!" Tom's father heard the shout. He rushed out quickly and killed the wolf. From then on, Tom and his parents lived as one happy family. Naintindihan niyo ba yung kwento? Sino yung main character sa kwento?
Tom, the father, the mother, and the wolf.
Yung nakatulong ba kay Tom yung hindi siya nagpanik kaya nakatakas siya dun sa wolf? Yun yung moral value natin. Kailangan natin, kunyari may nag-face tayo ng problema, kailangan hindi tayo magpapanik. Kasi kung the more na magpanik tayo, mas hindi natin matatakasan yung problema. Diba ganun yan?